Sick.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me.
Currently at Big Bear Snow Valley bike park, and we're about to do our first run downhill. See how we do. You ready? Good job. Downhill mountain biking is pretty scary because there's just like downhill and you're on wheels, so your bike just wants to keep rolling and go faster and faster and faster. So yeah, he's doing really good for his first time, because I'd be shitting bricks right now, and he's just plowing through. He said he almost fell down the mountain once, so you got to be careful with that. And he crashed on a bush, so down to a good start. Okay, round number 2. We're about to go down Greenhorn again and try to get some good downhillage. What happened, Zach?
Fail. Face plant.
Man. You good?
Yeah.
Our third downhill run, and I think Zach turned himself into a sugar cookie. Fell down a turn, but he said he's good, so
Nothing's broken.
nothing's broken. Overcasty day today. Weather's perfect. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. I thought it was gonna be colder, but maybe it is cold, and we're just all warmed up, so we don't actually feel the cold. But yeah, it's a great day for mountain biking, and yeah, it's a good trail to learn. It's challenging, but not like insurmountable, and you can also like push yourself and like, you know, go faster if you want to. So it's awesome. And there's also even more harder trails that we're not gonna try today, unless Zach feels like he's up for it.
I fell on the easy trail.
Maybe that's a sign to go on the harder trail.
It'll be easier.
Yeah, to fall. Grab. So we are done riding. Had, I don't know, how many rides do we have? We had a lot of rides, but it was a very successful first time for Zach, and for me, it was very exciting to see what there was to do at these downhill mountain parks. It's my first time doing a mountain bike park, and gotta say, I'm very excited for coming back here and doing some crazy stuff. Look at you, all dusty.
Yep.
You're not wearing black anymore.
It's all gray stuff.
What was your first downhill mountain bike experience?
It was fun. I wanted a little too downhill.
Yeah. He fell how many times? 3 times. Not bad. And he didn't get hurt. At least badly.
It's like a little scrape here.
Oh,
No blood though. It's just like the skin's gone.
the skin is gone. Okay. Somewhat successful. A lot of good learning though. So I'll say you from the first time you rode down to the last time, you improved a lot. And yeah, we have footage to show it. So pretty good. All right, well now we're about to head home and get some food because we're hungry. And then yeah, just call it a day.